Director of Criminal Investigation Mohammed Amin wants the court to allow his officers to detain Bishop David Kariuki Ngare, widely known as Gakuyo, for a period of 4 days. The officers urge the court to grant them the days to enable them complete investigations related to conspiracy to defraud members of the public over 1 billion shillings by 3 companies owned by the embattled bishop. Gakuyo will now spend the night at the Muthaiga police station awaiting tomorrow's court's ruling whether to be freed or detained as per DCI's request.
Milimani's Magistrate Court Thursday was treated to a 4-hour submission and rejoined us from Kansas representing Gakuyo and the state.
6 orders to have the respondent detained for 4 days at the Muthaiga police station, and the said notice of motion is supported by an affidavit sworn by one Corporal Bernard Gikandi.
The investigating officer Bernard Gikandi told senior resident magistrate Geoffrey Onsarigo that the accused swindled billions of shillings from members using his 3 investment companies, Ekeza Sacco, Gakuyo Real Estate and Gakuyo Investors Club. Investigating officers believe he was running away to avoid being arrested and charged.
Your Honor, I firmly believe that the respondent is a flight risk. It's likely to interfere with the ongoing investigations, including contacting critical witnesses and concealing material documents necessary and relevant to the investigations, Your Honor.
Sentiments that received very strong objections by a battery of lawyers representing Gakuyo.
And we are wondering under what capacity the prosecutor can attest to the content contained therein. And therefore, if whatever she's submitting on, Your Honor, is going to go on record, it will be prejudicial to the defense.
To a serious man of God, he deserves to be treated to that status. May the court get favor in our presentation here.
Elsewhere, the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission and the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions have locked horns over the prosecution of 8 persons charged for defrauding Jothamo Development Company 42.7 million shillings.
And have served upon the defense. Your Honor, the EACC has interest in this matter, and as such we are opposed by, I don't know whether it was an application or just sentiments by my colleague, Mr. Undimu, that the decline affidavit be expunged.
Though I've looked at it and I was ready to proceed, and I would not be objecting to the request by my colleagues for an adjournment. And I don't think the EACC need to respond to that. It's true they served this morning.
According to EACC, the accused exaggerated the cost of a procurement service by over 100% in 2013. It's now a face-off between the EACC and the DPP in a graft case involving 8 accused persons in the Jothamo Development Company. Which way, court? Ruth Homboy for Prime Edition from Milimani Law Courts.